Are you tired of juggling multiple kitchen gadgets to prepare your meals? Well, say hello to the Vitamix A2300 Smartprep kitchen system. It's not just a blender, it's a versatile kitchen powerhouse. In this review, we'll explore how this smart kitchen system can revolutionize your cooking experience and save you precious time. Let's dive in. Imagine having a kitchen appliance that not only blends but also simplifies food prep, giving you more time to enjoy your culinary creations. That's precisely what the Vitamix A2300 Smartprep kitchen system offers. If you're ready to transform your kitchen and cooking routine, keep watching. Versatile blending. The Vitamix A2300 starts with a powerful motor base and a 64-ounce low-profile blending container. This container is incredibly versatile and capable of handling everything from silky smoothies to piping hot soups and even nut butter. With variable speed control and pulse feature, you have complete control over texture and consistency. Food processor attachment. Now, here's where the magic happens. The included food processor attachment turns your 2300 base into a full-featured food processing dynamo. It simplifies food prep tasks like chopping, dicing, and slicing, making it a breeze to create gourmet meals at home. Say goodbye to tedious chopping and hello to more time for creativity. A full assortment of blades. The Vitamix A2300 Smartprep kitchen system doesn't stop at food processing. It comes with a set of stainless steel blades, including a multi-use blade and discs for both small and large shredding and slicing. This assortment of blades provides you with endless food prep versatility. Unmatched power and durability. The Vitamix A2300 is built for performance and durability. Its powerful motor can effortlessly blend frozen fruits, powders, and leafy greens, ensuring consistently smooth results year after year. Vitamix blenders are engineered and assembled in the US, a testament to their commitment to quality and longevity. Stainless steel blades. The laser-cut stainless steel blades are designed to maintain their sharpness and integrity over time. You can rely on them to deliver the same quality results from the first blend to the last, whether you're making a creamy smoothie or a chunky salsa. Self-cleaning. Cleaning up is a breeze with the Vitamix A2300. Just add warm water and a drop of dish soap, select the highest speed, and watch it self-clean in just 60 seconds. No disassembly required. Say goodbye to scrubbing stubborn food residue. Versatile cooking. With the A2300, you can create a wide range of dishes. Make refreshing smoothies and juices, even using the whole ingredient for added nutrition. Whip up steaming hot soups in under 10 minutes without a stove, thanks to the blender's powerful blades. Creating perfectly shredded salads or kneading dough for your favorite pastries is a breeze. What's in the box? When you invest in the Vitamix A2300 Smartprep kitchen system, you get a package of culinary delights. It includes the A2300 motor base, a 64-ounce low-profile container with self-detect, the Simply Blending Cookbook, a low-profile tamper, the food processor 12-cup work bowl with self-detect base, 2 food pushers, 2 reversible slice, shred discs, 1 multi-use blade, a disc storage case, work bowl lid, and a food processor recipe booklet. In conclusion, the Vitamix A2300 Smartprep kitchen system is a game-changer in the world of kitchen appliances. It's not just a blender, it's a versatile kitchen companion that simplifies food prep and enhances your culinary capabilities. If you're ready to take your cooking to the next level and save valuable time in the kitchen, click the link in the description below and make the Vitamix A2300 your kitchen's new best friend. Thanks for joining us on this flavorful journey, and here's to delicious meals made easy.